Hello, dear students. It's 6th of December 2021, and you all are welcome to B for Bansal. And today's topic is change the voice for class 10, study material for revision, the daily practice. Here you can see better. The first one is I know his ways. Its answer is his ways are known to me. Option B. Known ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਹਮੇਸ਼ਾ to ਲੱਗਦਾ ਹੈ ਇਸ ਕਰਕੇ option B. Next is you should respect your elders. Your elders should be respected by you. Option B. Columbus discovered America. America was discovered by Columbus. Option A is the right answer. Next beta you can say fourth. They didn't listen to me. I was not listened to by them. Option D is right. We expect happy news. Happy news is expected by us. Option C. ਇੱਥੇ ਨਿਊਜ਼ ਨਾਲ ਬੇਟਾ ਇਜ਼ ਆਏਗਾ, ਇਸ ਗੱਲ ਦਾ ਆਪਾਂ ਧਿਆਨ ਰੱਖਣਾ ਹੈ। The teacher will punish the naughty boys. ਇਸ ਆਨਸਰ ਹੈ The naughty boys will be punished by the teacher. ਤਾਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਆਨਸਰ ਦੇਖ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ, ਇਹ ਆਨਸਰ ਹੈ ਆਪਣਾ ਆਪਸ਼ਨ ਏ ਵਿੱਚ। The naughty boys will be punished by the teacher. He may avoid you. You may be avoided by him. The option D is right. One must do one's duty. The answer है बेटा duty must be done. Option B. Help me please. You are requested to help me. Option D. Somebody had stolen my camera. My camera had been stolen. Answer A. Who told a lie? By whom a lie was told. Option D. Next is you can do it. It can be done by you. Option you can see option B is right. Quinine tastes bitter. The answer is quinine is bitter when tasted. Option B. You have to do it. Answer is it has to be done by you. Option B. Why did you laugh at the poor man? Answer is why was the poor man laughed at by you? Option B. I love my parents. My parents are loved by me. Option B. He is playing the game. The game is being played by him. ਤਾਂ ਬੇਟਾ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਦੇਖ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ ਜੋ ਆਨਸਰਸ ਨੇ ਉਸ ਵਿੱਚ ਬਾਈ ਹਿਮ ਕਿਤੇ ਵੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈ, ਤਾਂ ਇਹ ਬਾਈ ਮਿਸਟੇਕ ਹੋਇਆ ਹੈ। ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇਸ ਨੂੰ ਠੀਕ ਕਰ ਲਓ। ਦ ਗੇਮ ਇਜ਼ ਬੀਇੰਗ ਪਲੇਡ ਬਾਈ ਹਿਮ ਆਪਸ਼ਨ ਬੀ ਹੈ ਜੋ ਉਹਦੇ ਐਂਡ ਵਿੱਚ ਮੀ ਨੂੰ ਕੱਟ ਕੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਉੱਥੇ ਹਿਮ ਕਰ ਲਓ, HIM ਹਿਮ ਉੱਥੇ ਆਪਸ਼ਨ ਬੀ ਦੇ ਐਂਡ 'ਤੇ। ਠੀਕ ਹੈ, ਦ ਗੇਮ ਇਜ਼ ਬੀਇੰਗ ਪਲੇਡ ਬਾਈ ਹਿਮ। ਬੀਇੰਗ ਕਿਉਂ ਲੱਗਿਆ? ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ING ਜਿੱਥੇ ਲੱਗਿਆ ਹੋਵੇ ਉੱਥੇ ਉਸ ਜਗ੍ਹਾ 'ਤੇ ਆਪਾਂ ਬੀਇੰਗ ਲਗਾ ਦਿੰਦੇ ਹਾਂ। ਠੀਕ ਹੈ। Pray to God daily. You are advised to pray to God daily. Option A. When did you see the star? When was the star seen by you? Option B. Let her sing. She should be allowed to sing. Option A. What is wanted by you? What do you want? Option D. This picture has been painted by me. I have painted this picture. Option B. Let the match be played by them. Option A. Let them play the match. A meeting is being held here. They are holding a meeting here. ਉੱਪਰ ਵਾਲੇ ਬੇਟਾ ਸੈਂਟੈਂਸ ਵਿੱਚ a meeting is being held here ਵਿੱਚ जो है ऑब्जेक्टिव इन्होंने मिस किया होया आप कर सकते हैं, पर जो आप इसनूं दोबारा ठीक करांगे एक्टिव च करांगे तो आप आपदे वल्लों कुछ भी इस च सब्जैक्ट लगा सकते हैं। तो आप लगाया दे। अ मीटिंग इज़ बीइंग हैल्ड हेयर बाय दैम, सपोज करो ये हुंदा तो असीं लिखता दे आर होल्डिंग अ मीटिंग हेयर। नेक्स्ट है दे वर बीइंग टॉट बाय अस। आंसर इज वी वर टीचिंग दैम, ऑप्शन बी। ही विल नॉट हैव बीन अब्यूज्ड बाय अस, we will not have abused him, option D. A noise was made by you, you made a noise, option C. Next is by whom are you taught English? Answer is who teaches you English, option A. Nothing will be done by them, they will do nothing, they will do nothing। तो बेटा जो बी ऑप्शन है उस विच एनीथिंग वाली जगह तो तुसीं कट के इसनूं कर लो नथिंग। दे नहीं ये इत्थे दम लग्या होया है। तो बेटा तुसीं जो फस्ट वाला है ए दे विल डू नथिंग, इत्थे वुड कट के तुसीं इत्थे विल लगा लो, WIL विल। ठीक है, यह एक्टिव हो गया। तुसीं जो पैसिव बनाओगे तो बन जाएगा नथिंग विल बी डन बाय दैम, ऑप्शन ए इसका आंसर है, पर तुसीं वुड कट के विल लगा लेने। It was hoped that he would pass. Answer is we hoped that he would pass, option D. Have you called out the roll? Has the roll been called out by you? Option B. You are requested to listen to him. Please listen to him, option C. Show the guests in. Answer B. You are requested to show the guests in. What did you see there? What was seen there by you? Option B. How can you solve this sum? How can this sum be solved by you? Option A. So dear students, it was all about active and passive. You can say change of voice for class 10. Okay, practice it once again and meet you in next video. Till then, see you. Take care.